Good morning guys, good afternoon or good evening whenever you're watching this. You're back with another episode of Mr. AJ Focus. I'm out today doing a review on my friend's beautiful orange ST. It's literally just in front of me here. But before we get into this video, remember if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe at the bottom. And also don't forget to click the like button and that bell notification button. That just tells you when I upload my new videos basically. And also don't forget I am on Instagram and I am on Facebook as well. And also don't forget the ST and RS Legends merchandise, key tags, stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, all that awesome stuff you can find at the Facebook storefront. And also don't forget the channel is now sponsored by Customod as well, so you can get on their website. If you see anything you fancy, don't forget to use the AJ Focus discount code, 10% off. Right, so today we've got Matthew down here in his orange ST, so we're just going to spin the camera around, have a bit of a walk around, and then see what you guys think. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've walked around the car and now we're going to do like a little walk around again, but talking about what's been done to the ST. I've got my friend beside me here, he does want to be on camera, I understand why. So, how long have you owned the Focus for?
I've owned it for about 2 months.
2 months. In that time, have you thought about changing anything?
I want to get a
RS model.
change the centre box and the back box to a KMS, section 18 to the louder.
Okay.
Change the wrap to gloss black to match the roof.
Is that the roof, yeah?
Yeah.
As you see, the roof has been wrapped matte black, so just want to change that in gloss. Recently, what have you changed recently? Have you done anything recently to the ST?
I've had the wheels refurbished. I've done them myself, gloss black, yellow spec, black over.
You can really see the glitter on it. So we'll move on to the engine quickly. So, like I said, you only owned the car 2 months, so you've not really touched the engine bay, I'm guessing. So this is how it came. Got receipts and that, you said, didn't you?
Yeah, it's had a reconditioned gearbox, new engine put in it. All the work cost around 3,000 done. Got a stage 3 map.
Stage 3 now.
Block rod. Stage 2 intercooler.
I don't know if you want to see that through the grills down here. It's a bit dark, but yeah.
And all boost pods. Big chain.
So this is, I've seen these before. This is Kaz, that was it. Yeah. Filter sits inside that for maximum cold air. Do you get a lot of turbo noise from it? Because I've never actually heard it myself.
Yeah, it's more of a chatter than
Is it?
yeah, more of a chatter than
And the open foot like I've got on mine. Yeah. So you've done the cooler pipe there as well, both sides. So you said that it also had a block mod.
yeah, it was done when the engine was built.
Alright, so we run to the back of the car. So what exhaust system is on it? It's got a Miltec. Is that from the cat back, is it? The downpipe?
Yeah, centre, back one, and decal.
Decat as well.
I want to get a diffuser.
Yeah.
I want to change that.
So that's your future plan, is it? Getting it? What sort of diffuser? The RS style or those maxed in ones? Yeah.
The one sticks out a bit, but you can get TRC.
Yeah.
More flat.
Just having a quick look underneath because I'm not entirely sure what is lowered on. I've just had a look at the high back springs, and also it has a, I don't know if you can see under here, just about to see, an adjustable rear anti-roll bar as well. That looks like a white line, so it's set up for handling. As you know, the white line or just changing the rear arms on these makes a massive handling difference. So So on the inside of the car here, is there anything you changed in here since owning it?
No, it's all the same when I got the car.
Yeah.
The CD player's got a reverse camera on it,
Reversing camera.
and the boost gauge.
There's a
For,
cheeky little boost gauge over there.
yeah, the other boost gauge goes up to 2 because obviously it goes over the standard one. It goes to 1.5 on the boost.
So here's the boost gauge that's installed. You say it goes up to 1.5 and sometimes up to 2, does it?
Yeah, between 1.5 and 2 at high rev.
As you do know, the standard ones are a bit unpredictable. So obviously the previous owner stuck that in.